Your Lurgan station of Craigavon in Craigavon. The town now is 1548 and this is for your 1451 Northern Irish restaurant from Portadown to Bangor. Shoot to the other side too.
What's it?
Shoot to the other side too.
You on the north side, are you?
Yeah. Should we cross over since it's a busy road? Since your car's on the other side. Should we like cross over?
Cross over now?
Yeah, so that's because it will be very difficult getting across. You know, I think I should take a picture right here as a thumbnail. They're all on a bracket except for this one here. They made the lights pretty rare set up, don't they?
What?
The lights are pretty rare set up. This one here is very far in. It's not very straight too.
Well, you have a big sign there, don't I get to see? Now servicing.
Take a phone. It's a nice new phone. They own. They're all on the bracket except for this one here. This one here is the only one that's not on the bracket. It's just on an ordinary pole. See right here the new fencing right here, that got it back in July. Maybe I'll take a picture right here. Boom. I could use some of those for my pictures. I would say so. Here it is. 3007. The Bangor via Grifterwood Street. Can't be Stan. I think it's.
Must be another one coming.
Yeah, usually it just goes up and then it comes back down. Because usually the other one's at 56. And what time is it now? It's only 15:51. So probably not too bothered doing the other side then. Also just do pictures of the other side. These bars right here are just off angle too.
What?
Bars are off angle. Yep, there's the other train. It's very early. So this is for your time is 15:52 and this is for your 15:56. Nova hours station from Bangor to Portadown. Not a free doesn't cut off. 3021. Oh. issue. 3021. 3021. One to Port Dawn.